Imagine a place where the sky dances with birds and tranquility is the air you breathe. Welcome to the serene valley. Picture this, a serene valley nestled between whispering hills under a vast expanse of blue. You're not just observing, you feel the cool, fresh air as it fills your lungs, and hear the soft rustle of leaves in the gentle breeze. Look up. Above, a ballet of birds glides effortlessly across the sky, their wings painting strokes on the canvas of the heavens. Each chirp, each flutter takes you deeper into a state of calm where the hustle of the modern world fades into a distant memory. Here, in this moment, you're part of something larger, a timeless dance of nature, a symphony of sights and sounds. As the sun begins to